Alright, today we're going to open and review the X-Shot MK3. This is made by a company called ZURU, Z-U-R-U. Let's see what it is. Here's the gun. There's the box it comes in. You see it's pretty close to the Nerf guns, but it's not made by Nerf. Pretty powerful little gun though. There's 3 shots. Comes with 8 bullets. Let's see if we can get it out of the package here. There we go. Uh-oh, there's another one holding it down too. Have to cut it out too. Get my knife out and we'll cut this one. There we go. There's your gun. There's for your 3 shots. You cock it by pulling that back. And fire it. There you go. Let's see what we got here. There's 8 bullets in there. Let's see if we can get them out. These are almost identical to the Nerf bullets. This thing says it'll shoot 80 feet. That's a pretty powerful shot. Slip it in right there. Set it up on top. Just like that. You can move it around, but you need one on top to fire it. Let's see what we can do here. Whoa! That's quite a good shot. There we got the bullets out. There's the gun. We'll load it with 3 shots now. We're ready to go shoot something. Cock it. It stays out. It does, that thing you cock it with does not go back in. We'll set the box up over here on the bed. See what we can do here. Oops, missed that one, didn't I? Well, roll another shell up there. Cock it. Roll another shell up there. Too bad you have to roll that shell up each time. Oh, good shot. Too bad it doesn't roll itself and you can just keep firing, but it doesn't. We got another shot, so we'll roll another shell up there. Cock it. Pretty powerful, isn't it? Let's shoot some Lego men this time. It'll be more fun. We'll set them up over here on a pillow. See if we can shoot one of them. Got him. Here's a close-up of it. Slow it down. See what we can do. Here we go. Get ready. Wow. Whoop. The other guy fell over too, didn't he? Well, we'll get him set back up. Let's put another shell up there in the top. Cock it. See if we can hit him. Whoop, missed him. Good thing we got a 3rd shot. I missed that guy. Got him that time. Do a little close-up of him. See how it looks. Get ready. Oop, missed that one, didn't we? That's the one we missed on. Well, we'll put another shell up there and cock it. Get ready, see if we can hit him this time. Now, these are for sale in Walmart. They're pretty cheap. They're pretty powerful. You might want to check it out before you give it to a small kid, okay? Got him. Alright, see you next time. Here is the gun. Pretty powerful little gun. I may give it to my grandson. He likes these. Okay, we have a lot more of these coming. Please like and subscribe and stay with us. We'll see you next time.